All right, guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to take a look at the spring Nomadik quarterly box. So if you're interested, stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, subscription box unboxings, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Please consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. All right, so today, like I said, this is the spring quarterly box from Nomadik. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Nomadik, I do unboxing videos for them every single month on my channel. They have a monthly box and they have a quarterly box. This ginormous box is a quarterly box. You can get these 4 times per year, and they run you regular price $149. They do have sales every now and then where they take a percentage off. They just had one end that was 20% off. But yes, this is the spring box. So we're fixing to dive in and see what we got here. So today we are going to be using, if I can get it out of my pocket, we're going to be using the Kershaw Shuffle. So let's get into this box and see what we actually have for the month. I love Nomadik. I did sign up for a subscription of the regular boxes, and as soon as that subscription ran out, Nomadik reached out and said, hey, we want you to continue unboxing. I had signed up to be an affiliate, and so they said, we want you to continue unboxing videos for us, unboxing boxes for us, and they continue to send me boxes. So we're gonna see what we have. So let's get this put to the side. Now, the fun part, there's something big in here because there's something heavy. All right. Oh man. All right, so the biggest thing in here, well, let's go with our pamphlet first. So this is post-adventure refresh. So every box has a theme, even the monthly boxes. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in here. A Nomadik challenge, Nomadik tips. There you go. So we're gonna keep that handy in case we need it. Let's just set this down. This is a difficult box to do on here. So what is this? Beach box. All right, let's see what we have. We're probably gonna have to refer to the pamphlet. So let's go back to the shuffle. Let's see what we got here. Just eyeballing the rest of the box from here. This has got to be the big item. Every box has a quote, a big item. So what is this? A water hose? We got a water hose. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. Off. I've never heard of beach box, so it's gonna be something new. Don't eat. So we have neoprene. Oh, this thing is heavy. It's like a pump sprayer. Let's see, beach box. It's a shower tank. That's what this is. So a portable shower. Okay. So you click your hose on. You fill this bad boy up with water, pump it up, and you have a take you a shower after the beach, after hiking, camping, whatever. you got it. The cool thing about this, I'm gonna just go on a limb and say that with this black neoprene, it's probably gonna absorb some heat, so it might not be a cold shower. So that's pretty awesome. Pretty good line and setup. I'm digging this. We'll have to look that up and see what they're valued at, but it's got a regular just shower nozzle on there. So, I mean, if anything were to happen, you need to replace it, you just unscrew that, replace that. So, pretty cool. The Beach Box shower tank. All right. So, let's see what else we have. Dry Fox towel for every adventure. Let's get in this cardboard. We just recently got something from Dry Fox. So they have some really good gear. And this looks like it is a self-stow pouch with water-resistant zip pocket. Oh, a towel. So check this out. It's a towel with a little pouch that you can put your valuables in while you're at the beach. Lay it down, whatever you need to do, but a very lightweight towel. Really cool. It's got two little lanyard tie-outs on the side, so you can drape this around you. Let's see, fold me right. It tells you how to fold it. Dry Fox Company. So there you go. All right, what else do we have? Let's go with something small. We've got solid shampoo from High Bar. Moisturize, no plastic bottle, just a color-safe, fragrance-free moisturizing shampoo that leaves your hair soft and silky with coconut oil, rice protein to hydrate and nourish. There you go. Fragrance-free bar of shampoo. Oh, let's get our sticker for the quarter. That's that right there. What is this? A got bag. A got bag. Shower bag. It's the world's first shower bag made of ocean impact plastic. It is feels very durable. It's got a rubber coated zipper and a rubber coating on the inside. Looks like it'll flex out so it'll stand up. Pretty awesome there. And yeah, G-O-T, got bag, a shower bag. And it says black, so I wonder if they have other colors that you can get. But when it's empty, you just fold the bottom there and it is packable. All right, and lastly, check this out. Clean Ocean Designs, a mariner mat. Where's our pamphlet at? Let's see. Showering at a campsite or changing into boots on a mountain, this practical mat provides the highest level of comfort and ease. Its elevated standing surface and holes for water to drain through will ensure smooth transitions in and out of your gear at any location. That is really cool. I don't know about packing. I don't know if you can fold this, but for coming out of the beach, using your portable shower, rinsing the sand off to get in the car, like it said, changing out of your boots or whatever, this is really awesome. So I've got to figure out like packable, like can you fold it? Will it mess it up if you fold it, roll it, all that kind of stuff? Because I'd hate to tear it up and it not work right when I get where I'm going. But there you go. This is Clean Ocean Designs shower mat or changing mat. So pretty cool gear in this box. One thing I always say about Nomadik is you get things that you either didn't think about, didn't know existed, whatever. Never really heard of anything like that. We've gotten some bags before, so these are always really cool, especially when they're waterproof, because it allows you to take them, say, to the beach or the pool, whatever, or the shower. So there's that. I'm definitely going to use this shower. It's really awesome. We just went to the beach with the kids. Having something like this that we didn't have to stand in line to use the shower at the beach, this would have been nice to have in the car where it would have gotten warm. Yeah, so there you go. that's what we've got for the spring quarterly box. I hope you enjoyed it. We are going to do a real test run on this shower. I'm going to show you how it works, and because I'm going to learn how myself. So we're going to learn together. And there you go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit thumbs up on this video. Share it with your friends that's never heard about Nomadik box. Let them get a taste of it. But there will be a link to Nomadik in the description below if I haven't already said that. And yeah, that's all I've got for today. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.